When supporting trap, neuter, return projects, there are often a number of rescued kittens who are too young to safely return, but too old to be immediately socialized for living comfortably with humans. For most of these kittens, patient and determined interaction by volunteers can help improve the kitten's ability to feel more comfortable. We usually start out by petting the kittens with wand toys to create a safe distance and to help them get used to the idea of being touched. Sometimes we hold them with towels, which also provides a slight barrier and can seem less disturbing. Treats can be a nice incentive for being close to humans. Play can also make a big difference. Combining socially comfortable kittens with those still working on socialization can be very helpful. Getting kittens into dedicated foster homes usually has the most successful outcome. Overall, it's important to move slowly and patiently. Volunteers and fosters are always needed to help rescued kittens on their journey from spicy to sweet. Contact info@japancatnetwork.org for information on how you can help.